Hello beautiful people, thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Mercy. Now let's make this yummy puff puff. I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour for this recipe, powdered milk, nutmeg. I'll be adding some sugar. Please check my description box for more information on the measurements of the ingredients I'm using, and that's some salt and instant yeast. I'll stir together. So here I'm using lukewarm water, not hot, not cold. So I'm using my hand just to make the process faster. So I kept on mixing my dough just to ensure there's no kind of lump. Then I use a cling film to cover my bowl and a napkin and place it in one place for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, our dough has risen. So I rub in some oil on my palm so the dough doesn't get too sticky. And now it's time to fry. Click on the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends. Our first batch is ready. Our yummy puff puff is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.